going? It's Neil from the Pentatonic Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jam on Maggot Brain by Funkadelic. We're going to use only pentatonic scales. It's going to sound awesome. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do a little example of what it could sound like, and then it's going to be your turn to jam over the backing track at the end of the video. All right, let's check it out. All right, cool. So here are the chords to Maggot Brain. What we have is a E minor. They do that twice, kind of like a picking thing. So that's two instances or two bars of E minor. Then they go to D major. They go to B minor, right? And then they go back, they go to C major. All right, cool. So what we're going to use for scales, over the E minor, we're going to use E minor pentatonic. And that's located here, in this case, at the 12th fret. All right, so it's going to be 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12, 15. All right, and the next chord is going to be D major. And for that one, we're going to also start at 12, but it's going to be the third shape of the pentatonic scale, which would be 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 11, 14, 12, 15, 12, 14. All right, and that's over the D. And then for B minor, we're going to do the exact same scale, that third shape of the pentatonic scale. But in this case, like the first instance, this was our root note, and right here, the D's, right? And in this case, with the B minor, that's going to be our root. Yeah? There it is. So, there's the root. There's the root. All right, and last but not least, the C major chord is going to get a C major pentatonic scale, which is also going to start in 12. And we're going to do the fourth shape of the pentatonic scale. So 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, 12, 15. All right. All right, cool. So those are the scales that we're going to use over these chords. I'm going to try to jam on the backing track a little bit to give you an example of what it sounds like, and then it's going to be your turn to jam over the backing track at the end of the video. If you like this sort of lesson and you're interested in this stuff, come check us out at pentatonicway.com and come hang out with us. Maybe it'd be what you're looking for. Just one simple approach to make every part of your guitar playing better. So, all right, let's jam. I'll talk to you soon.